In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Facebook ads. Navigating through the Facebook Ads Manager can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but once you know where to go, it all becomes much simpler. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. This tool is essential for managing your advertising campaigns on Facebook, and from here you'll have access to all the tools you need to view your ads' performance, including the comments they receive. Once you've found Facebook Ads Manager in your search results, click on the link and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Facebook business account or the account that manages your ads. Once done, simply click on the login button. After logging in, you will be taken to the campaigns dashboard. This is where all your active and past campaigns are listed. To view comments on specific ads, navigate over to the Ads section. This is typically a tab or menu option within the Ads Manager. Clicking here will show you a detailed list of the ads within each campaign. Now choose the ad that you want to dig deeper into. This is as easy as selecting the specific ad from your list. Once you've clicked on an ad, you'll see more detailed information about it, including its preview. To access the comments, click on Preview Creative. This is a helpful feature that lets you see how your ad appears to users on Facebook. Look for the share icon, which is typically depicted by an arrow or similar symbol. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From here you can select Preview in Facebook Post with comments. This selection allows you to see the live version of your post as it appears on Facebook, complete with all the comments users have left. Engaging with these comments directly can provide a lot of valuable insights into how your audience is interacting with your content. It also offers a key opportunity for community management. You can respond, moderate, and generally participate in discussions happening around your ad content right here. And that's it! By following these steps, you can easily find and manage comments on your Facebook ads directly through the Ads Manager. This process not only helps you to stay informed about user reactions, but also aids in building a more engaging and responsive advertising strategy. Remember, engaging with your audience's feedback promptly can enhance your brand reputation and build stronger customer relationships. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.